Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Dhuizm infrared PIR motion sensor detector switch. This gray, ABS plastic device promises to bring automated lighting to your home or workspace. It operates on AC 85 265V and boasts a 180-degree detection angle, utilizing infrared technology to sense human movement. The core selling point is its automatic induction feature. The light connected to the switch turns on and off based on motion detected by the PIR sensor. The sensor is designed to differentiate between day and night, ensuring it only activates when needed, saving energy. Installation seems straightforward. It's designed for a wall mount at a height of 1.8 to 2.5 meters, with a detection distance of approximately 12 meters. Wiring involves connecting the brown wire to the live wire, the blue to the neutral, and the red as the output. The blue wire serves as the common wire. This switch is versatile, compatible with various light sources, including incandescent lamps, energy-saving lamps, LED lamps, and fluorescent lamps. It handles a load power of up to 150 watts. The specifications highlight its adaptability. The LUX setting is adjustable from 2 to 2000 lux, allowing customization for different ambient light levels. The induction lighting time can also be adjusted from a short 5 seconds to a longer 6 minutes. It also has an IP64 rating, making it suitable for indoor applications. In summary, the Dhuizm infrared PIR motion sensor detector switch offers a convenient and energy-efficient way to automate lighting. Its adjustable settings and wide compatibility make it a practical choice for various applications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.